We often associate pollution with smog-filled cities and industrial areas. However, a hidden danger lurks within our homes' indoor air pollution. The air we breathe inside can be significantly more polluted than the air outside. This invisible threat can have serious implications for our health and well-being. Indoor air pollution refers to the presence of harmful substances in the air within our homes, offices, and other enclosed spaces. These pollutants can stem from various sources, including building materials, furniture, cleaning products, and even our own activities. While we might not see or smell these pollutants, their impact on our health is undeniable. Prolonged exposure to indoor air pollution can lead to a range of health issues, from mild allergies to serious respiratory problems. By identifying the sources of pollution and adopting simple yet effective solutions, we can transform our homes into havens of clean and healthy air. Our health and well-being depend on it. The first step to combating indoor air pollution is identifying its sources. Surprisingly, many everyday items in our homes contribute to this problem. One major culprit is volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. These chemicals are released from a wide array of products, including paints, varnishes, cleaning supplies, air fresheners, and even furniture. VOCs can irritate the eyes, nose, and throat, and long-term exposure has been linked to more serious health problems. Another common source of indoor pollution is combustion appliances. Gas stoves, fireplaces, and furnaces release pollutants like carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and particulate matter. Dust mites, microscopic creatures that thrive in warm, humid environments, are another significant contributor to indoor pollution. Mold, a type of fungus that thrives in damp environments, is another common indoor pollutant. Mold spores can trigger allergic reactions, respiratory problems, and even infections. The air we breathe has a direct impact on our health. Indoor air pollution, often invisible and overlooked, can contribute to a wide range of health issues, affecting people of all ages. Short-term exposure to indoor pollutants can cause immediate discomfort, including eye irritation, headaches, dizziness, and respiratory problems like coughing and wheezing. Prolonged exposure to indoor air pollution can have more serious consequences. It can exacerbate respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis, leading to increased hospitalizations and decreased lung function. Studies have linked long-term exposure to certain indoor pollutants, such as radon and formaldehyde, to an increased risk of lung cancer. Addressing indoor pollution is not just about immediate comfort, but also about protecting our long-term health and well-being. Fortunately, advancements in technology offer effective solutions for combating indoor air pollution. Air purifiers, in particular, have become increasingly sophisticated and accessible, providing a powerful weapon in the fight for clean air. Air purifiers work by drawing in air and passing it through a series of filters designed to capture and remove various pollutants. HEPA filters, a gold standard in air purification, can remove up to 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, effectively trapping dust mites, pollen, pet dander, and other allergens. Activated carbon filters are another essential component of many air purifiers. These filters are highly effective at absorbing gases and odors, neutralizing VOCs, smoke, and other unpleasant smells. Smart air purifiers take air purification to the next level, equipped with sensors to monitor air quality in real time and adjust their filtration rate accordingly. Investing in a high-quality air purifier can significantly improve the air you breathe and create a healthier home environment. While technology offers powerful solutions, nature provides its own elegant air purification system plants. Certain houseplants act as natural air purifiers, absorbing pollutants and releasing clean oxygen into the air. One of the most effective air purifying plants is the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This hardy plant is incredibly low maintenance and excels at removing formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene from the air. Peace lilies, known for their graceful white flowers, are another excellent choice for improving indoor air quality. These plants are effective at removing a wide range of pollutants, including ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. Spider plants, named for their spider-like offspring, are renowned for their air purifying capabilities. Incorporating a variety of air purifying plants into your home not only enhances air quality, but also adds a touch of natural beauty and tranquility to your living spaces. They serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our health and the environment. While technology and plants play a crucial role in improving indoor air quality, simple lifestyle changes can also make a significant difference. By adopting these practices, we can create healthier homes and reduce our exposure to harmful pollutants. One of the easiest and most effective ways to improve indoor air quality is to ventilate your home regularly. Open windows and doors for at least 15 to 20 minutes each day to allow fresh air to circulate and flush out stale, polluted air. Choose natural cleaning products whenever possible. Many conventional cleaning products contain harsh chemicals and VOCs that contribute to indoor air pollution. Opt for natural alternatives made with plant-based ingredients, such as vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Be mindful of the products you bring into your home. When purchasing furniture, carpets, paint, or other building materials, look for low VOC or VOC-free options. Avoid smoking indoors to prevent exposure to harmful secondhand smoke. Ventilation is the process of replacing stale indoor air with fresh outdoor air, and it's essential for maintaining good indoor air quality. Proper ventilation helps to remove pollutants, regulate humidity, and create a healthier and more comfortable living environment. Natural ventilation, achieved by opening windows and doors, is the simplest and most cost-effective way to ventilate your home. For optimal ventilation, open windows on opposite sides of the house to create a cross breeze. Mechanical ventilation systems, such as exhaust fans and whole-house ventilators, provide a more controlled and consistent approach to ventilation. Exhaust fans, typically installed in kitchens and bathrooms, help to remove moisture, odors, and airborne pollutants generated during cooking and showering. Whole-house ventilators work by continuously drawing in fresh outdoor air and expelling stale indoor air. Proper ventilation is not only about removing pollutants, but also about regulating humidity levels. By maintaining optimal humidity levels, you can create a healthier and more comfortable home environment. Maintaining a clean and well-maintained home is crucial for minimizing indoor air pollution. Regular cleaning and preventive measures help to reduce the accumulation of dust, allergens, and other pollutants that can compromise indoor air quality. Dust regularly using a damp cloth or microfiber duster to trap and remove dust mites, pollen, and other allergens. Pay attention to surfaces that tend to accumulate dust, such as furniture, shelves, blinds, and ceiling fans. Vacuum carpets and rugs weekly using a vacuum cleaner equipped with a HEPA filter. If possible, consider replacing carpets with hard surface flooring, which tends to harbor fewer allergens. Wash bedding in hot water weekly to kill dust mites and remove allergens. Change air filters regularly, following the manufacturer's recommendations. Clean or replace HVAC filters seasonally, or more frequently if you have pets or live in a dusty environment. Taking control of your indoor air quality is an empowering step towards protecting your health and well-being. By understanding the sources of pollutants, adopting effective solutions, and making conscious choices, you can create a healthier and more breathable home environment. Educate yourself about indoor air pollution. Knowledge is power. The more you understand about the sources and effects of indoor pollutants, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your home environment. Invest in air quality monitoring devices. Consider purchasing an indoor air quality monitor to track levels of common pollutants like particulate matter, VOCs, and carbon dioxide. This real-time data can help you identify potential problems and assess the effectiveness of your mitigation efforts. Be an advocate for clean air. By taking proactive steps to address indoor air pollution, you're not only protecting your own health, but also creating a healthier environment for your loved ones. The air we breathe is fundamental to life itself, yet we often take it for granted, unaware of the invisible threats that lurk within our homes. Indoor air pollution is a serious issue, but it's not insurmountable. By taking action, we can create healthier homes and breathe a collective sigh of relief. This is a call to action. Let's clear the air, literally and figuratively. Let's make our homes havens of clean air, where we can breathe deeply, live healthily, and thrive. Start by making small changes in your own home. Open your windows, invest in an air purifier, adopt a plant or two, and choose natural cleaning products. These seemingly small steps can have a profound impact on your indoor air quality and, ultimately, your health. Talk to your family and friends about indoor air pollution. The more people who understand the importance of clean indoor air, the greater the collective impact we can make.